What do you think?
Yeah, you'll be good. Send it. Oh boy! Yeet!
That's what I'm talking about. Give me them. The Murano slaps, dude. The straight mom car slaps.
Well, boys, we have made it to South Dakota. We're back up here for a couple days.
Hey, what's up, boys?
What's your name?
Cade.
Cade?
Yeah.
Where do you go? Where do you live?
Graduate. I live right up there.
He lives right up there, guys. he lives right up there, guys. Alright, well, we're fishing with a new guy today. One of Sam's buddies. What do you think, Sam?
Oh god, yeah. We'll catch a few.
First, we gotta catch some bait. What are we gonna use for bait? Frogs?
Hey, you want to see? I did a little fishing earlier today. Without you boys, sorry. Oh yeah. A little sneak peek for you guys.
Ooh.
You guys already know.
Alright, the wind's kind of ripping out here, so I'm gonna tie on the chesty and we'll see you guys when we throw some lines out.
Am I on?
You're on.
Oh god, I'm on, boys. Ryan, reel up.
Jeez!
Dude, how big do you think
that's a tank!
About
10, 12.
Good God.
Good
Ryan, look at
God!
Think about it, but
that. Oh God, dude. Oh!
Oh!
Shoo! Boys, look at that tank.
I'll catch one if it's alive, right?
yeah.
Or should I kill it?
They normally die anyways when you hook them, but
Okay. Right here? Okay.
just sits down there.
All
right.
Oh, you still got that cat on?
Yeah.
Alright, boys. Is your can almost better or do you have another battery?
That one feels like an eater.
Alright, reel them up. Yeah, that's a small one. That's an eater, boys. I got him. Should we eat him?
Okay.
He's a little small, but
I mean, he's a little small, right? I feel like you want one
he
a
would
little
eat
bit
for
bigger.
sure, though.
Yeah,
think?
probably like 2 pounds, 1 or 2 pounds bigger would be perfect.
You think?
That
All
one's
right.
a little bit small, but
I'm gonna let him go.
Oh yeah.
Dude!
Gavin got hooked up. Oh my god. Oh yeah, you guys haven't met Gavin.
This is wild. Yeah, I haven't even met the dude, and he's already hooked up with like a 12-pound cat.
Oh my gosh.
Oh! Dude, the frogs are murking.
Oh god, dude, that one's decent. Should I get this one out of the net, you think? Probably. I wonder if my direction was you get this. God, dude. He's dogging you.
They're about the same. Dude!
Boys,
Dude!
the net's about to break.
The net's gonna break.
Oh my god.
Was that on a dead frog?
no, I just went. Oh, I killed it. But I
Oh.
Get him up here, see? Something uneven. Oh, yours is bigger than mine.
Yeah. Dude, we can't even hold him. Alright, boys. It is the next day. We're gonna head back to the creek, but first we gotta fill up the old mom car here. But look at the front of the mom car, dude. Look at the front, dude.
I know, it got murked.
Look at the
Oh god. That's gross. Oh, you did a good job cleaning it.
look at that. Yeah. Ready to rip? Jeez. Well, we made it to the spot, and wait, what's your name?
John.
Oh yeah, John. Yeah. Don't even know the dude. He's already hooked up. Does it feel like a big one?
Where do you want to bring him up this little? Right there, probably.
Dude, it's a tanker. Jeez.
Alright, this is a mess, guys.
Oh my God. It's about as big as the ones we caught yesterday. Dang. Hold that puppy out. Yeah.
11.48.
Not bad. All right, so basically the rig that we're using is just a little circle hook. Then he's got, this isn't my rig, but this is Gavin's. Gavin's the catfish expert. And we just grab a little froggy here.
So we do it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
All right. All right. There we go. I don't wield my left hand. Oh yeah. Get him in. Yes. That's easily the biggest catfish I've ever caught.
Oh God, that is a tanker.
Don't bite me, boy.
Is this just gonna be a silent film or?
Oh my God. That is a tank.
Good catch.
There it is, boys. That's my personal best channel catfish right there. Came right off the bridge. Gonna snap some pictures and let her go. All right, we're gonna get a weight on her.
Oh, sheesh, boys. Where'd that come from?
Jeez.
Gavin, the catfish layer. 11.2.
11.2.
Oh, yeah.
It's about as big as yours. What'd you say?
Yeah, but
All right.
you just nut you. Almost did.
See where you hold them? It's actually really comfortable. All right, boys. There she is. PB. Gonna let her go. All right. Let's let this beefcake go here. Tankers. Tankers, boys. Shout out to Gavin for letting me use his rod on that tank. Ooh! Right as I was giving him freaking thanks.
It's a little one. It came up to the top right away.
Little dink.
You want to flip him?
It's only like a 10, dude.
Yeah, I can flip him.
Yeah! Yeet! Dude, it's a bullhead. Those things are kind of sweet looking. They're grimy though. That's a big bullhead, dude. Jeez.
Hopefully it doesn't have a hook swelled. God damn it.
Oh,
How much?
Like 2.2.
Dang.
Oh.
Not a bad bullhead. Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Made it back to the Lehman household. Look at Lehman. He's just killing it over here. It's been a lot of fun up here in South Dakota. Me and Sam have been absolutely grinding. We've been making a lot of videos lately, so you don't want to miss them. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos. Got a lot of bangers dropping really soon. And drop a like on this video if you enjoyed. If you enjoyed these catfishing videos, I had a lot of fun. I had never really catfished before, so it was a lot of fun catching my PB. But I will be moving up here for college soon. I'm gonna be going to South Dakota State, if you guys didn't know that. But it's gonna be a lot of fun, a lot of new content coming soon. This fall, I'm gonna do a lot of hunting with the boys up here. It's gonna be a lot of fun, I'm really excited. And yeah, that's it. I guess we'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.